This tutorial review will show you how to fix contact, photo and poster disabled on your iPhone. So as you can see, my contact, photo and poster not working because of it's disabled. Now let's fix this in just few steps. Go to your iPhone settings, and if you're facing this issue, it means you are not signed into your Apple ID. So to solve this issue, tap on sign into your iPhone and enter here your Apple ID. All you have to need, just log into your Apple ID. Once you successfully sign into your Apple ID, go to your iPhone settings and scroll down. Tap on messages and here tap on share name and photo and enable name and photo sharing option. Tap on share automatically and here select contacts only. Now go to your phone or contacts, and as you can see, the contact, photo and poster is working now. So that's how we can solve this issue. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe tutorial review. See you in the next video.